Hi, I'm Nate. Welcome to the Medina County Career Center, and this is the Precision Machining program. Here you learn to run manual and CNC machines, and you learn how to use those skills out in the field. So here we have Gavin, who's running our CNC machine. This is a mill, and he's just finishing up making parts for us. Next we have David, who's also running a CNC machine, but that's a lathe. He's running a practice part that he proofed out. Here we have Corey. Corey's working on a manual lathe, and he's running our fly bar, and that's a project that we make as juniors. Here we have Logan, who's measuring a part for our test, and he's also laying out a part that he's working on inside. Moving on to our manual mill section, we have Larity, and he's facing off this part. He's squaring it up, and he's preparing it to be machined into a final part. We have some more students working on other projects. And then we have our grinder section where you can see Sean Skaggs working on his part. This is a really interesting machine. You can get really precise tolerances with this. This is Ryan. He's also working on our CNC machine, but he's also here to talk to you about early placement.
Hi, again, I'm Ryan, and I want to talk to you guys about early placement. Early placement is where you'll leave school after you do your academic classes instead of coming to lab to go work. Personally, I work at Voss. We make a lot of rigid clamping for exhaust. And we have a bunch of other students here working for companies like Alloy Fab, Custom Speed Parts, and Jet Die. So there's a lot of advantages of this class for early placement, where I'll learn a lot here, like CNC programming and the use of CAD and CAM software. And then I can go apply those skills that I learned here at work and learn even more at work. After I graduate, I plan on just going straight working into the field, and I can use a lot of the skills I learned here to use in my career field, which is CNC programming, machining.
Next, I'm going to take you upstairs and I'm going to show you our classroom, and you'll learn a little bit about our CAM software that we use. This is our classroom where we receive instruction from our instructor, and he teaches us about print reading and how to use our software. And inside, if you follow me, and we have James, who's working on his Mastercam drawing, and he's working on a project that we're doing. It's our mill stop, and he's just got his print up and he's editing that right now. So now we're going to go take you down to our measuring room, and we're going to show you our CMM and some other stuff down there. Welcome to our measuring room. This is where we do all of our inspection work, and you learn to operate industry equipment such as our CMM. Which is a coordinate measuring machine. It's a super precise measuring machine. We have an optical comparator and a mini mill. We also do some plunge EDM. We also have simulators in the back there for our CNC machines. Also in here, you can see some of our projects that we've worked on, such as this hammer and the hammer handle. This is a project we do on the manual lathes our junior year. You can also see some NASA parts that we made that are actually on the International Space Station right now. In addition to that, you can see some titanium parts that students have made for the medical industry. And finally, you can see our competition part here. In 2013, one of our students went and turned this part at a national competition. He placed first for his program. Now that you've seen all of our stuff here at the Medina County Career Center Precision Machining program, I hope to see you next year. Thank you for watching.